The red number shows the voltage of the electric scooter. It can be used to check the voltage and remaining charge of the scooter. This is the startup screen for the LCD. The screen shows all the icons on the LCD. The number 60 shows the LCD screen is suitable for 60 volts. Then the number will change. This number shows the total miles traveled by electric scooter. However, this number will also be greater than 0 for new scooters because every scooter is factory tested. This number shows the miles traveled for this startup. The electric scooter has 3 gears, which are also identified on the LCD screen. The blue icon indicates that the light is on. Left and right arrows indicate turn signals. Next we explain what the other icons' lights mean. The letter D indicates that the scooter is in dual motors drive mode. This means throttle fault. Now the throttle is not functioning properly. This icon light with exclamation point is brake power off signal light. It is displayed when you apply the brakes. This icon light with M indicates motor fault. This icon light with ECU indicates controller fault.